In this video, we'll discuss the maximum likelihood estimator, how to find the maximum likelihood estimator of the given PDF. So that is what we'll discuss in this video. And for more on maximum likelihood estimation, please subscribe to this channel. So solution. The first thing to do when finding the maximum likelihood estimator of any PDF is to take the likelihood function. The likelihood function of f of x theta is equal to the product sum, I running from 1 to n, the product sum of the given function. So if we take the product sum of this, we'll arrive at something like this: 1 all over 2 raised to the power of n exponential, this is x, so we get summation xi theta. So this is what we'll get. The next thing to do from maximum likelihood estimation, we take the log. But before taking the log, we need to rearrange this so that it will be easy for we to take the log. So rearranging this, we can write it as 2 raised to the power of negative n exponential summation of xi's minus theta, I running from 1 to n. Nothing has changed. This is still the same likelihood function. So the next thing is to take the log. So the log of the likelihood function is equal to, if we take the log of this, we'll have negative n log 2. If we take the log of an exponential function, you get that same function. So we get negative summation xi minus theta. So this is what we'll get. The next thing to do for maximum likelihood estimation, we differentiate with respect to theta. So differentiating with respect to theta, we'll get, if we differentiate this with respect to theta, we'll get 0, because there is no function like theta here. So we'll get 0 minus, if we differentiate this, we get summation xi minus theta multiplied by, we differentiate what is inside, composite function, negative 1. This is still running from 1 to n. And for maximum likelihood, we are expected to equate this to 0. But this is still equal to summation of xi minus theta. So we are equating this to 0. Equating to 0. Equating to 0, we have summation of xi minus theta is equal to 0. So the next thing we'll do, we take the sum of this. If we sum xi's, we get summation of xi. And if we sum a constant, because we are opening this bracket, if we sum a constant, we get n times that constant, which is equal to 0. So we can push this over to this side to give us summation of xi is equal to n theta. So making theta the subject of the formula, which is our estimator, we say theta estimate will be equal to summation of xi all over n. This same thing is the same thing as, this same thing is equal to the mean. It then means that, therefore, our theta estimate is equal to xi. Our theta estimate is equal to x bar. So this is how we can compute the maximum likelihood estimator for this type of function. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel to get more on maximum likelihood estimator.